Meta is training an AI to speak more than 1,000 languages using the Bible. Meta has announced that it is using the Bible to improve the ability of its artificial intelligence (AI) models to recognize and generate speech in more than 1,000 languages. This innovative effort aims to not only develop state-of-the-art technology, but also to conserve endangered languages. Meta's ambitious project is to provide its new language models to the public through the GitHub code hosting platform. In this way, programmers of different languages can develop novel and versatile speech applications. For this work, Meta has prepared its models using two datasets, one consisting of audio recordings of the New Testament in 1,107 languages and another that includes in-labeled recordings of the New Testament in 3,809 languages. We have a lot of good datasets for English and some other languages, but we don't have them for languages spoken by, say, 1,000 people. Michael Ali, research scientist at Meta. Currently, the Meta researchers claim that their models can communicate in more than 1,000 languages and recognize more than 4,000, which is a significant achievement considering that there are around 7,000 languages globally. Compared to models from competing companies, such as OpenAI's Whisper, Meta's version showed an error rate half as large, despite spanning 11 times as many languages. A huge challenge that would revolutionize conversational AI. The Bible, one of the most translated books in history, has been translated into more than 700 languages, according to the United Bible Society. The New Testament, in particular, has been translated into more than 1,500 languages. This wide range of translations has fueled continued translation in minority and endangered languages. However, Bible translation is not a bed of roses. Each language has its own characteristics, with different ways of expressing ideas and concepts. This implies that, in many cases, translators must make titanic efforts to find the right words and phrases that accurately convey the original messages and meanings of the biblical texts, which complicates its use as the perfect source for AI training. Despite improvements in language comprehension and generation, Meta models are not without their flaws. The researchers admit that their models may mistranscribe some words or phrases, and that their speech recognition models generated more biased words than other models, albeit by only 0.7% more. Chris Emezu, a researcher at Masakane, an organization that focuses on natural language processing for African languages, told MIT that using religious texts to train models can be problematic. According to him, the Bible has many biases and distortions. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.